Hey everybody, you're joining Traveling with Jack and my heavenly wife Pam. This is going to be quick, less than 2 minutes. I just wanted to give you guys an update on something people have asked me about, is how do you make delicious Brussels sprouts? I'm not going to go through the whole process here because it's just too darn easy. But basically, it's just a few ingredients. I sliced up some Brussels sprouts into quarter pieces. I added some mushrooms. I've got some olive oil. I put in a little bit of garlic, some salt, some pepper. I cook them in a nice cast iron skillet because this gives them a really nice finish. Gives them a little bit of that almost a grilled look, a seared look, as you can no doubt see here. And it is so darn easy. Now some people like to broil them, but you don't have to broil them. You can just cook them in your cast iron skillet like I'm doing tonight. And they are absolutely delicious. Again, so just get you some Brussels sprouts, slice them up into quarter pieces, add some mushrooms if you would like, some olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic. I put some garlic in there as well, and a little lemon juice. That is it. How long has it got to cook? Maybe 10, 15 minutes tops, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. Let me give you a closer look. We'll come down here. Whoa! Take a look. Do those look delicious? Yes, indeedy. And they taste delicious too. So again, we didn't have to do a full-blown cooking demonstration on that, did we? I think you're going to enjoy them. Review one more time, right? Slice your Brussels sprouts. I get mine at the local co-op. They're organic. They're delicious. I also slice up some mushrooms. I used a good quality olive oil. I have some garlic in there. Salt and pepper. A little lemon juice. 12 to 15 minutes later, we're eating healthy and delicious Brussels sprouts with just a little mushrooms as well. You know what goes good with that too? A nice Chardonnay. That's a good one tonight. Comes from Argentina. Thanks for checking in. As always, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Traveling with Jack and Pam. You guys have a good one. Gonna click you off now.